Welcome to the Belt and Road Face to Face。
镇巴民歌，说起小，仅仅只是山坳里的山歌；说起大，它源自广袤民间，代代相传。
I really like that. Just goes deep down, so very touching.
Express the love and express the general love.
Although I did not understand, just to hear that and just to listen to the music, pleasing to the ears.
It is not very strange for Chinese people to understand the Pakistan folk song.
You are watching the Belt and Road Face to Face. Let's enter the third part, culture. In Zhenba County of Hanzhou City, Shanxi Province, folk songs have been handed down from generation to generation. Let's watch a short video.
中原辽阔的三秦大地陕西，有一个陌生而又神秘的地方，有一个名不见经传的小城，它叫镇巴。那么这个地方一定充满诱惑，充满魅力，值得人们去探寻和研究。无论它多么遥远，多么偏僻，其一山一水，一草一木，会在人们情感深处激起涟漪，产生心有灵犀一点通的契合与共鸣。这里的民歌就像一条奔腾不息的历史长河，述说着这里的人文历史、社会变迁。它伴随着当地老百姓的整个人生历程，承载着镇巴人一代代的文化记忆，成为人们精神生活中不可缺少的精神食粮和这片热土的历史见证之一。人类历史最早是以民间歌谣的方式流传下来的，而歌谣则是世世代代的人民群众在劳动实践中创作起来的。所以有人说，人类社会的进化史一直是在原生态的歌声中演变的。
这个镇巴民歌要出来早，你说带动什么是带动镇巴民歌？那就是劳动口，因为他提出的这个地理位置，就是川湘边界，又在大巴山的腹地当中，就是大巴山当中，这里的山高坡陡谷深，于是产生了自己的文化，在他们的劳动当中，在他们的生活当中产生的艺术品。
陕北的苍凉空旷导致了陕北民歌的粗犷豪放，而陕南的镇巴民歌则由于山的雄奇和沟壑的纵深，其歌声是绵延温馨浪漫的。
首先旋律要好，第二内容要奇特，第三个就是要培养一些尖端的人才。所以我们现在就说，只要有这方面唱民歌、唱镇巴民歌，他嗓音有特点，我们就要把它吸纳到我们身边。怎么去改变它？改变好，然后形式多样。比如说我们县上为什么能把镇巴民歌能走到今天，能唱了几十年，它最关键是人才。
可能接触时间长了以后，然后我就越来越喜欢，我觉得里面有很多魅力。
镇巴民歌说起小，仅仅只是山坳里的山歌，充其量只是地区性的口头吟唱的一种形式。说其大，它源自广袤民间，代代相传，可以插上旋律的翅膀，飞出大山，飞向天南海北，成为中华民族优秀民间艺术的宝藏。它吸引着我们，也让越来越多的人向它投去关注和爱护的目光。
镇巴民歌被国务院列为这个非物质文化遗产保护项目，它的艺术价值，它的社会价值就在于它反映了镇巴那个年代 也就说是远古的年代，那个年代人们的精神文化生活状况。但是这些是非物质文化遗产，反映到现在来说，我们都觉得是非常宝贵的东西。
因为我们年轻人不仅仅是要传承，我觉得应该有创新，这样才能够丰富我自己的这个原生态的民歌这种演唱。
既然保护优秀民族文化是一种历史的选择，历史的富裕，那么陕南具有远大抱负的年轻一代，以及更多具有使命感的文化工作者，将一定会勇于担当起历史的重担。
所以我希望以后我能够把我喜欢的这种正八民歌吧，然后唱给全世界的人听。
Mr. Hanif, do you like Chinese folk songs, or have you ever heard of Chinese folk songs?
I have heard a couple of times. I really like that. It sounds very simple, but it's really it touches the heart. It just goes deep down. So very touching. Although I did not understand what was there in the song, what was being said in the song, but just to hear that and just to listen to the music, the music with that song, very much touching and very, very pleasing to the ears.
镇巴 folk songs. It is a kind of the local intangible cultural heritage in this world. 镇巴 folk song will express a more softy and graceful and even the elegance the background of the local people's life. Just like express the love and express the general life in day by day, and they will express the more cultural backgrounds in this very traditional village. It also have the no border or no any gap to communicate to the other areas in this world.
Could you introduce Pakistani folk songs to us?
There are 5 major provinces in the country, and within the province also there are different areas which are having different folk culture, different folk songs, folk music. So it's quite rich in Pakistan, a very rich culture, very rich traditional folk songs and folk music in Pakistan.
Thank you. It is said that music has no boundaries. How to boost the connection between China and Pakistan through music, Ms. Liu?
The cultural communication, especially in the folk songs between China and Pakistan, it has a longer history than our economic communication. In fact, actually, it is not very strange for Chinese people to understand the Pakistan folk song. There is a very famous and popular singer in China. She was named Guan Mucun. She used to sing a very famous song. It's just like a folk song. That means the Beauty Land. The Beauty Land is a kind of Pakistan folk music and folk songs. So we have the very good cultural basics during these areas. In Pakistan, there were 2 kinds of folk music. And when you are listening the words in these songs, we will get the more people to contribute in the how friendships we just need to have, and there's no conflicts in this world. In fact, especially the cultural background will give our economies communications more power and give the more resources to building of foundations to cooperation.
Thank you. Now let's get to the Vash studio to see what they are concerned about.
हरदोई मुल्कानी में आना गेश्तर कारोबारी डेलीगेशन रवा काया अगा इशानी तहा इज़्मकारी गल हवार बिबा गुड़ शुमे हयाला दो रबीदगी और इज़्मकारी हमकारी गेश नबा.
What's your opinion?
Every kind of the cooperation, not only for the politics or economic or other social life cooperation, they will be a kind of the vibrant cooperation. That means that every people in this country and in the cooperative country, they will have the real life, and they want to, and they hope, and they deeply wishes that we can get more information from the other countries and opening to the world. So the delegation of the artists, I think, especially for the youth artists, it's very important. We can keep the stable communications in not only the artists but only in the education and other cultures areas. So artist dedication, it will be very famous models in these two countries' communication, and it opened a door to the two countries' young people.
Thank you for watching the Belt and Road Face to Face, and thank you too for coming to our show today. See you next time.